To buy Chill Guy Coin on Coinbase Wallet, you need to have a basic understanding of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. First, download and install the Coinbase Wallet app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, create a new wallet by following the in-app instructions, which will require you to set up a password and back up your recovery phrase. Next, navigate to the Coinbase website and log into your account. If you do not have a Coinbase account, create one and complete the verification process. After verifying your account, go to the Buy, Sell page and select the cryptocurrency you want to use to buy Chill Guy Coin, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Transfer the selected cryptocurrency to your Coinbase wallet by copying the wallet address and pasting it into the Send field on the Coinbase website. Confirm the transaction and wait for the funds to arrive in your wallet. Now, go to a cryptocurrency exchange that supports Chill Guy Coin, such as Uniswap or SushiSwap, and connect your Coinbase wallet to the exchange using your wallet address. Navigate to the trading page and select the trading pair that includes Chill Guy Coin, such as Ethereum and Chill Guy Coin. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to spend on Chill Guy Coin and confirm the transaction. The exchange will automatically calculate the amount of Chill Guy Coin you will receive based on the current market price. After completing the transaction, navigate back to your Coinbase wallet and verify that the Chill Guy Coin has been deposited into your wallet. You can now store, send, or receive Chill Guy Coin using your Coinbase wallet. It is essential to note that buying cryptocurrency is a high-risk investment and you should only invest what you can afford to lose. Always do your own research and consider the market volatility before making any investment decisions. Additionally, make sure to keep your recovery phrase and wallet password safe and secure to prevent unauthorized access to your wallet.